Did you know that no emotion lasts longer than 90 seconds unless you feed it? Neuroscience reveals that the actual physiological response of any emotion naturally dissipates in just a minute and a half. When an emotion triggers, your body instantly releases a flood of chemicals. These chemicals are completely flushed out within 90 seconds, unless you keep the circuit going with your thoughts. Dr. Jill Bolte Taylor discovered this precise timeline through her research at Harvard. After that minute and a half passes, you are actually choosing to stay in that emotion. While you absolutely cannot control the first wave, you completely control the second. Why does it often feel like we stay furious for hours? What keeps it lingering is rumination. Rumination differs from problem solving because it goes in circles without offering any resolution. Your emotions are like weather systems. They always pass if you don't fight against them. Blaming your emotions for your actions is like blaming the rain for not bringing an umbrella. We've all snapped at someone and regretted it seconds later. That's the 90-second rule in action. During an emotional crisis, your brain is like a toddler who just found the candy stash. Notice the physical sensations, tightness in your chest or heat in your face. Simply count to 90 while breathing. Do not fight the feeling. Just observe it passing. Trying to stop ruminating actually strengthens the thought pattern, like telling yourself not to think about a pink elephant. The key is pattern interruption and attentional pivoting, like the 5-3-1 technique. Name 5 things you can see. Physically move. Engage in 3 minutes of focus. This technique redirects the brain's attention resources. Your mind is like water that needs to flow. Cognitive reframing changes how you view a situation without changing the situation itself. Disappointment is caused by the gap between what you expected and what occurred. The frame you put around a problem determines whether you can solve it. The spotlight effect is our tendency to overestimate how much others notice our mistakes. Everyone else is the center of their own universe too, primarily focused on themselves. Third-person self-talk creates psychological distance from intense emotions. When you say your name, you activate the same brain regions used for advising friends. Build an emotional first aid kit, prepared in advance, not during a crisis. Your kit should contain multi-sensory interventions that interrupt emotional spirals. Anti-fragility means systems that gain from disorder, uncertainty, and stressors. Introduce voluntary discomfort, like cold showers, fasting, or difficult conversations. The Stockdale paradox. Maintain faith you'll overcome while facing harsh reality. Your anger only lasts a minute and a half. Everything after that is a story you choose to tell yourself. Remember to simply count to 90. The chemicals will fade, and you will be left standing with the clarity to choose your response. Your emotions only last 90 seconds. Everything after that is your choice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.